So far we have imported a form and a table, and we've also linked two tables. And what we're going to do next is we're going to import a text file. And so we're going to click on text file, and we have to choose the file first. And we should be looking in the AL2C8 folder, and we want the tech hours, billable hours for September. So we're going to go ahead and open that. And then you've actually got three choices. You can bring it into a brand new table, you can add the records to the bottom of an existing table, or you can link to the data. And what we are going to do is that first option where we're going to bring it into a brand new table. And we're going to click on OK. And text files are typically delimited. There's usually some character between the columns. Usually the CSV files have commas between them. And you can actually see that in the data. We've got commas between our columns. So we're going to click on Next. And the first row does contain field names, so we are going to turn that on. Okay, so you can see that we have three distinct pieces of data here. We did have commas between them. So we're going to go ahead and click on Next. And for each one of these fields, we can specify what type of data that field is. So date is date with time, which is fine. Hours billed is double, but for tech ID, they made it long integer, and we actually want that to be short text. So we're going to go ahead and click on Next. And then it's asking what to do about the primary key. None of our fields will work as a primary key because values are duplicated. So we are going to simply let access add a key. Tech ID won't work because numbers are duplicated, same with date, and hours billed would be a horrible key. So letting access add ID. And as far as the name of our table goes, RSR Tech Hours SEP 2018 is fine. So we're going to click on Finish. Now in this case, it does want us to save our steps. So the name it's going to save under is fine. And for the description, we're going to put in CSV file with weekly hours billed by technicians. And then we're going to click on Save Import. And then to take a look at our imported table, we'll just double click. Okay, and you can see that we have the ID, which is our primary field. Then we've got the tech ID, date, and hours billed. And you really don't need to worry about printing anything out.